Today we're diving into the gorgeous world of K-pop glam because I'm recreating the stunning Yuqi from I-DLE makeup look. Hi everyone, I'm Anzeei and welcome back to my channel. I do makeup, skincare and all things pretty, so if that's your vibe, make sure to hit that subscribe button. For the base makeup, I'm starting with e.l.f. Hello Glow Liquid Filter. It gives that radiant, healthy glow while still looking super natural, just like Yuki's skin. Next, I'm taking my concealer, only spot concealing where I need to, mainly my acne marks. Once everything is blended, I set my face with pressed powder, focusing on the T-zone so the makeup stays in place all day long without looking cakey. For brows, I'm keeping it simple, not trying to copy her exact shape, just brushing and setting them the way I usually do. For contour, I'm using my Hoola bronzer to softly define the nose. Then adding a bit along the jawline and temple for subtle structure. With a flat brush, I'm highlighting the high points of my face, my cheeks, nose bridge and tip of my nose, and lastly the brow bone. This adds that extra touch of glow that Yuqi has in these pictures. For the eye makeup, I'm starting with a light brown shade as my transition color, blending it softly and dragging it out at the outer corner to create a subtle wing for the fox eye effect. I'm also sweeping it along the lower lash line. Next, I'm taking a deeper brown and blending it across the lids and under the lower lash line for more depth. For aegyosal, I'm lightly shading with a Hoola bronzer. Then I highlight the center with a white eyeshadow to make the eyes look pop. Now for the shimmer, I'm patting a golden shimmer shadow on the lids for that K-pop sparkle. But before doing eyeliner, I'm lining my waterline, then drawing the wing, thicker at the outer corner just like Yuki's, but defining the inner corners for that sharp, doll-like look. Finally, I curl my lashes and apply the mascara to the top lashes only for that clean lifted effect. For blush, I don't have the exact muted warm shade she's wearing, so I'm improvising with an eyeshadow that's close enough. I'm applying it towards the side of my cheeks for that youthful soft glow. For lips, I'm starting with a Peri Pera Ink Velvet as a base color, then blending the Lily by Raid with my fingers to soften the pigment. And finally, I'm topping it off with a pink shade from Romance. And there we have it, my Yuqi-inspired makeup look. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friend, and comment down below which makeup look I should create next. And of course, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for hanging out with me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!